Hello kids, let's learn to week's name. Kids, Hindi and English. Kids, first color name. Green color, orange color, black color, yellow color, red color, blue color, and pink color, sky blue color, light green color, light pink color, light green color. Kids, week's name. Sunday, Monday. SUNDAY. Sunday. Sunday means रविवार. MONDAY. Monday means सोमवार. TUESDAY. Tuesday. Tuesday means मंगलवार. WEDNESDAY. Wednesday means बुधवार. THURSDAY. Thursday means गुरुवार. FRIDAY. Friday means शुक्रवार. SATURDAY. Saturday means शनिवार. Sunday रविवार. Monday सोमवार. Tuesday मंगलवार. Wednesday बुधवार. Thursday गुरुवार. Friday शुक्रवार. Saturday शनिवार. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.